It's a dark and stormy night, and you find yourself in the middle of nowhere. You can't see anything except trees and bushes as far as your eyes can see. The sound of the wind rustling through the trees and the occasional hoot of an owl is the only thing you can hear. You have no idea where you are and how to get back home. Suddenly, you hear footsteps coming towards you. As you turn around, you see a figure standing in front of you. It's an old woman dressed in black with wrinkles on her face and a crooked nose. She looks at you with her piercing eyes, and you feel a chill run down your spine. You try to run, but she grabs your hand and pulls you towards her. She whispers something in your ear that sends a shiver down your spine. Just as you thought you were in danger, the old woman gives you a map and tells you to follow it. She tells you that the map will lead you to a place where you will find what you are looking for. You take the map and follow it. After walking for a few minutes, you find yourself in front of a beautiful mansion. You go inside, and to your surprise, you find a treasure chest. You open the treasure chest, and inside it, you find a letter from the old woman. In the letter, she tells you that the treasure was hers, but she couldn't take it with her when she died. She wanted someone to find it and use it for good. You realize that the old woman was not trying to harm you, but was helping you all along. You feel grateful and happy, and you leave the mansion with a newfound respect for the old woman.